Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that actually affect loudness. Make a call and press the in-call volume rocker. This targets the earpiece specifically. Once done, turn off Bluetooth and unplug headsets to ensure sound routes to the phone. Inspect and gently clean the receiver mesh. Debris often mutes highs. Also check Do Not Disturb and any volume limit options in sound settings so they aren't capping output. These actions quickly reveal whether software or hardware limits volume. Next, focus on software equalization and routing. Open your phone's sound enhancements or EQ and boost mid/high frequencies. Speech clarity improves even if peak volume stays similar. If you try a volume booster app, pick one that supports in-call audio and follow safety warnings to avoid distortion. When using Bluetooth, make sure the phone and headset negotiate the best codec. Different codecs change perceived loudness and clarity. If your phone supports adaptive sounding or noise. To finish, systematically test and escalate. Call the same contact on speaker and a wired headset to isolate the earpiece. Test with a different SIM or Wi-Fi calling to eliminate carrier-side volume limits. If sound is still low only on the earpiece, consider a hardware repair or earpiece replacement. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove software corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if audio is distorted after boosting, revert settings. Overamplification often causes clipping, not real gain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.